Go ahead and grab out your Learning Target Success Criteria sheet. On the top of it, go to the next sheet of paper and write the learning target, interpret key features of tables and graphs. If you need to, pause the video. Now you should start adding in your success criteria. There are 3 success criteria. It is locate specified interval, calculate rate of change, and describe why average rate of change for quadratic is not consistent or constant. If you need to, pause this video to copy this all down. Now go ahead and flip to the front. We are going to work on our last learning target, which is 3D. So I'm going to highlight 3D, which is calculate and interpret the average rate of change for a function over a specified interval. I'm also going to write today's date. For some of us it is going to be the 10th, some of us it'll be the 12th, 11th. I'm also going to highlight all of the success criteria needed. Now go ahead to your graphic organizer sheet and let's identify rate of change. Rate of change we used last semester or last year, which is also called slope, which is going to be rise over run. Alright, so whenever you see rate of change, that always means slope. So this one says use the graph to answer the following questions. So we need to find the average rate of change between x equals 1 and x equals 2. So I'm going to go to x equals 1 and I'm going to put a dot. And now I'm going to go to x equals 2 and put a dot. Let's put that in black so it's a little bit thicker. Now I'm going to do my rise over run. I taught you guys to always use the bottom point first, so I go up 1, 2, 3, and then I go left 1, so that's a -1. Now I need to find the average rate of change between 2 and 3. Let's use a different color. I go to x equals 2, I put a dot, which is already there, and I go to x equals 3 and put a dot. Let's go ahead and say that it is at -10. So I'm going to go up 5, 6, and then I'm going left 1. Now we notice that the answers for part A and part B are different. Why is this possible? They are different because the graph is curved and not linear. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this one. We need to find the average rate of change between x equals 1 and x equals 2. So x equals 1 is here, and x equals 2, I'm right there. So my slope is up 1, right 1, so 1 over 1. Now let's figure out the slope of 2 to 3. So I'm at 2, 3 is there, so I go up 1, 2, 3, right 1, so 3 over 1. Why are the answers different? Because my graph is curved and not linear.